Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a magical Christmas card animations effect using PixVerse. This is super easy and completely beginner friendly, so you can do it for free using PixVerse daily credits pack. So let's get started. First, just open PixVerse. You can use the web versions or just download the mobile app from the Play Store. And then next, just simply log in using your Google account. And don't worry, PixVerse will give you free credits every day so you can generate animations even without paying. And then after you log in, just go to template sections, this one. And then in here, just tap on search bar and just type Christmas like this, and then just tap on Christmas card delivery. This one. This is the template we're going to use. It comes with a cute and festive animation styles that turns your photo into delightful Christmas card moment. Next, just tap on use template and then just upload your photo. Just choose the picture that you want, preferably a clear portrait so the AI will recognize your face perfectly. Like this, and then once you're done, select the photo, just tap on create. Then go back and then just go to mine and then wait for the process. Okay, your video is ready. Let's try to play it. Okay, like that. There it is, your very own Christmas card animations. It's ready. It's super cute, super festive, and perfect for posting on your social media. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.